Multi-story pest prevention, new home construction must be planned from the ground up because vertical construction changes pest pathways and requires specific multi-story solutions. When building upward, start by sealing utility chases between floors using foam and fire-rated caulk, so insects and rodents cannot move vertically through gaps around pipes and wiring. Make sure seals are continuous and compressed where cables penetrate to preserve integrity over time. Install rodent barriers at the roofline and around eaves using metal flashing and stainless steel mesh size to block rats and squirrels while allowing roof ventilation. Fit these to existing roof geometry and tie them into gutter trim to prevent lift and gaps. Maintain continuous firestops and seals at wall and floor junctions because properly installed firestops also block pest movement when sealed with insect-resistant materials. Follow manufacturer cure times and recheck after trades finish to catch missed voids. Inspect balconies, scuppers, and drains during rough and finish phases since accumulated debris and improper slopes create moist microhabitats that attract insects. Ensure drains have removable strainers and that balcony membranes are sloped to drain to prevent standing water. Use pressure-treated or naturally rot-resistant materials at all exposed wood and framing intersections such as deck ledgers and exterior trim to reduce wood decay that invites carpenter ants and termites, and apply a wood preservative to cut ends after cutting in the field. Integrate vertical baiting strategies where allowed by code by placing bait stations in discrete voids and on exterior vertical runs to interrupt pest travel between floors, and coordinate with HVAC and plumbing penetrations so baits do not interfere with maintenance access. Common mistakes include sealing only at the slab level and ignoring vertical chases, which lets pests bypass defenses. The fix is to map every vertical utility run. Seal at each floor with both a flexible seal and a secondary rigid barrier, and recheck after system rough-in. Another issue is relying on paint or non-rated sealants for firestop locations, so seals fail under heat or movement. Use tested firestop systems rated for the specific assembly and follow the detailed drawings closely. A third concern is treating only horizontal perimeters and neglecting balconies and roofline connections where pests enter. To correct this, inspect and detail these interfaces early, add stainless mesh and metal flashing, and schedule a final pest pathway inspection before occupancy. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors that match multi-story pest prevention needs, and where contractors can find project leads relevant to vertical construction. We also host a discussion community so builders and homeowners can share experiences and ask practical questions about ceiling chases, roofline barriers, and other multi-story details.